Corn O'Keefer, folks, bring you part 2 of Fishing for People. The new theory we tried out. I noticed you all liked it yesterday. We're bringing it back to you again. As you can see, that $50 bill's out there in the street. We got the badass here, Toby Parker. You all know him. We're just fishing for badasses. See if anyone comes along, folks. Oh, the kitty's coming up. As you can see, it's out there in the middle of the road. We're waiting for a poser again. You can't pause on here.
Can you pause?
Not on here. Well. We'll get back at you later. We'll definitely have a third part. We're just waiting. Corn O'Keefe out. Peace.